Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Very quick video. You know Aldi are doing their Christmas offer, $6.99 for an Airfix starter set or gift set. Lidl came in, $6.99, same offer. But for this week, from the 4th till the 8th of December, Lidl have put a 50% discount on all of their in the middle of Lidl items except food or Black Friday deals, which means that their Airfix Christmas offer, you get 50% off the marked price. That's £3.49 for an Airfix gift set. That's the kit, paints, paintbrush and glue, all in the one box. This is a deal you're not going to see again, I suspect. If you ever see one of these again, you've got to snap them up. Trust me. This ain't going to stay for very long. It is properly while stocks last. And I know they did buy a lot of stock, but there's an awful lot of little stores and there's an awful lot of modelers going out there and upping their stash because, you know, they're brilliant gifts. Those little starter tanks are so easy to make and you can make them really quickly and you've got all the stuff you need right there. Brilliant. The planes are nice. That Spitfire is not a bad kit at all. Let's be honest. The P40 is a really nice kit. I'm lost for words. How straightforward a deal is. I'm off to Lidl first thing tomorrow morning. Let me tell you. And you've seen my stash. I don't need anything more. But do you know what? Maybe a little following that to doing a strange scheme. Maybe a P40 because I haven't built a P40 Tomahawk. I've only built the P40, the American version. I haven't built the British version. British decals. Maybe it's about time I did one of those. A desert scheme. The possibilities are endless. It'd make a great gift for someone who's just starting out in the hobby. It'd be a really cool Secret Santa gift at work for someone who just, you know, you don't do anything else at your desk, might as well give you something to occupy yourself with, that sort of thing. Or just for yourself as a paint mule, practice techniques, try out new glues, try out sanding sticks, try out whatever you like at £3.49 for a kit. With actually, you know, that Humbrol number 2 brush is not a bad little brush. It's crazy to me. Anyway, get yourself done. Here's a quick reminder of what kits are available in the offer in general, but do bear in mind these are going to sell out really quickly. First up, classic Airfix, the Supermarine Spitfire in all its Battle of Britain glory. Most model makers will tell you that the Spitfire was the very first kit they ever made. I know it was mine. Next is the Curtiss Tomahawk, an American fighter used by the RAF, and here shown in the desert colours of stone and earth camouflage and azure blue undersides. Then there is the cheeky looking Folland Nat trainer, sold here in the colours of the Yellow Jacks display team of the Royal Air Force. On terra firma now, and there is this set based around the iconic Willys Jeep, which also includes the airborne trailer and a 75mm gun. Then there is the Sherman Firefly tank. This is one of the new style starter sets launched just 3 years ago that has the tracks moulded as single pieces for ease of construction. As indeed does the last kit in the 2023 Christmas offer, the imposing German Tiger 1 tank. Just remember, this offer only lasts until the 8th of December or until stocks run out. Now, last year, the offer at $6.99 sold out fairly quickly at $3.49. Get yourself down to Lidl if you want any of these things. Now, remember, it's not just as a kit for you. You know, you think, oh, I've got loads of kits, You know, practice some techniques. Practice your airbrushing. Give your Spitfire a funky paint job because you're practicing with something. Try weathering, try chipping, all these different things you can use on these kits because they're perfectly sized, really easy to make, and then you can go to town on the surfaces. Or, of course, give it to someone who's never made a kit before, be it a young member of your family, an older member of your family who wants to get back into the hobby, a colleague at work during Secret Santa, maybe a little tag out, you know, you're doing nothing else all day long, might as well give you something creative to do, whatever you like. But $3.49, my friends, really, you know, One or two people have said, do you get paid by Lidl for this? No, I wish I did. I really, really wish I did. But £3.49 for an Airfix kit, come on, got to be worth it. Get yourself down to Lidl, see what you can grab while you can. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to come back to the channel for a bit more. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notification of all my future videos and it won't cost you a penny to do it. And of course, if you like any of my content, please do give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thanks very much for watching. See you again on the channel very soon, I hope. Take very good care now, and goodbye.